Finding the right hotel just got easier. Compare and book on the app with Hotels.com. Too many people parenting and parenting. A little less in the world of men. 2 ingredients and nothing else. Water wax. You do it, really. Lovely, innocent family roofing murder in broad daylight. It was massive news. Who committed this crime? It was a year before they found Michael Stone. He was violently induced animals and killed my wife and child. We've all got one thing in common. We want justice. We want the truth. Not my truth, not your truth, but the truth. There will be a wonderful gift for each and every one of you. Enjoy more of the latest blockbusters than anywhere else on Sky Cinema. That's all else you guys. Indiana Jones and the Dial of Destiny. Available now in Sky Store. Was she a reckless drunk or the perfect suburban mother? Piece together the confusing evidence in There's Something Wrong with Aunt Diane on demand from Sky Crime. September 1995, Anglesey, North West Wales. 56-year-old Henry Roberts had returned home after having drinks at the local pub. When he heard a noise outside his cottage, he went to investigate. Unbeknownst to Henry, it was a deadly trap. Henry came out to see what the disturbance was and saw this figure in black. He had black leather trousers on, he had jack boots, a black leather jacket, and a black leather slash peak cap. The idea was to look like a Nazi officer. The man in black was 49-year-old local cinema owner Peter Moore, who was armed with a commando knife. Moore launched an attack on Henry and stabbed him repeatedly. When Peter Moore kills Henry Roberts, he stabs him 27 times. This is way more violence than he actually needs to end his victim's life. I mean, it's so astonishing. On the one hand, you have the respectable businessman. On the other hand, the cold-hearted killer. He was a sexual predator who terrorised men in the north of Wales for nearly 2 decades and would go on to claim